The human brain is a complex organ. It weighs about 3 pounds. It controls our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understanding how it works is a huge challenge. Psychology aims to unravel the mysteries of the mind. It uses scientific methods to study human behavior. Experiments are crucial in this quest for knowledge. They provide insights into the complexities of human nature. Experiments allow psychologists to study human behavior in controlled environments. By manipulating variables, they can observe cause and effect relationships. This helps us understand why people act the way they do. Experiments often involve participants. These participants engage in tasks or situations designed to elicit specific behaviors. Researchers carefully observe and record their responses. This data helps them draw conclusions about human behavior. Studying human behavior is not easy. Humans are complex beings influenced by many factors. Our genes, upbringing, and experiences shape our thoughts and actions. Ethical considerations also pose challenges. Psychologists must ensure the well-being of their participants. They need to obtain informed consent and protect their privacy. Striking a balance between scientific rigor and ethical treatment is crucial. The Stanford Prison Experiment, conducted in 1971, is one of the most famous psychology experiments. Philip Zimbardo, the lead researcher, wanted to understand the psychological effects of power and authority. Participants were randomly assigned roles as guards or prisoners in a simulated prison environment. The experiment quickly spiraled out of control. The guards became abusive, and the prisoners became passive and withdrawn. The study was terminated early due to ethical concerns. Section 5. The Milgram Experiment, Obedience and Authority. Stanley Milgram's obedience experiments, conducted in the 1960s, explored the willingness of individuals to obey authority figures. Participants were instructed to administer electric shocks to a learner who was actually an actor for incorrect answers. The shocks were not real, but the participants believed they were. The results were shocking. A significant majority of participants obeyed the experimenter's instructions to administer increasingly higher shocks, even when the learner expressed distress. Section 6. The Shocking Truth: Situational Factors Shape Our Actions. The Stanford Prison and Milgram experiments revealed a startling truth about human behavior. Situational factors can have a profound influence on our actions. We're not always in control of our behavior as we might think. These experiments demonstrated that ordinary people can engage in cruel or unethical behavior under certain circumstances. They highlight the power of roles, social norms, and authority figures in shaping our actions. Section 7. The Legacy of Classic Experiments: A New Perspective on Human Nature. The Stanford Prison and Milgram experiments sparked debate and controversy. They raised ethical questions about the treatment of human participants in research. They also challenged our assumptions about human nature. These experiments have had a lasting impact on the field of psychology. They have led to stricter ethical guidelines for research. They have also inspired countless studies on conformity, obedience, and the power of the situation. Section 8. Beyond the lab: Applying Psychological Insights to Everyday Life. The insights gained from psychology experiments are not confined to the laboratory. They have practical applications in various fields, including education, law, and healthcare. For example, understanding the power of social influence can help us design more effective public health campaigns. Knowing the factors that contribute to prejudice and discrimination can inform strategies to promote tolerance and diversity. Section 9. The Nature versus Nurture Debate. Are we products of our environment? The question of whether we are products of our genes or our environment is a long-standing debate in psychology. Nature refers to our biological inheritance, while nurture encompasses our upbringing and experiences. Psychology experiments suggest that both nature and nurture play a role in shaping who we are. While our genes provide a blueprint for our development, our environment can influence how our genes are expressed. Section 10. Exploring the depths of the human mind. A journey of discovery continues. The human mind is a vast and uncharted territory. Psychology experiments provide a glimpse into its inner workings, revealing the complexities of human behavior. While we have learned much about ourselves, there is still much more to discover. By continuing to explore the human mind through scientific inquiry, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. This knowledge can empower us to create a more just, compassionate, and fulfilling society for all.